Imagine a world where every thought you had, every law passed, and every story told had to be carved into heavy stone or pressed into wet clay. It was permanent, yes, but it was heavy, fragile, and nearly impossible to transport. Then, 5,000 years ago, along the banks of the Nile River, a green revolution began. It wasn't made of silicon or metal, but of a simple water plant. This is the story of Papyrus, the world's first portable information technology. Around 3000 BCE, ancient Egyptians discovered that a tall, reed-like plant called Cyperus papyrus held a secret. While other civilizations were struggling with bulky tablets, the Egyptians were looking at the marshlands. The process was a masterpiece of early engineering. They would strip the outer green skin of the plant to reveal the white inner pith. This pith was sliced into thin strips, soaked in water, and layered in a crisscross pattern. With a bit of pressure and the plant's natural sap acting as a biological glue, these layers fused together. After being hammered and dried under the sun, what remained was a smooth, flexible, and lightweight surface. Why was this a technology revolution? Before papyrus, information was stationary. A stone monument stays in one place, but a papyrus scroll, you could roll it up, put it in your bag, and carry the entire history of a kingdom across a desert. This portability gave birth to bureaucracy. As kings sent orders to distant provinces, science and math as complex formulas were shared, and literature as the first great stories began to travel. For the first time in human history, information had mobility. If the internet is the information superhighway, papyrus was the very first road ever built for it. For centuries, Egypt held a global monopoly on this technology, but it was also fragile. Unlike stone, papyrus could burn, rot, or be eaten by insects. This is why so much of our ancient history is a mystery. We only know what we know today because the dry, arid climate of the Egyptian tombs acted like a natural time capsule, preserving these delicate scrolls for thousands of years. Eventually, papyrus would be replaced by parchment and much later by wood pulp paper. But the DNA of papyrus is still with us. Even the word paper itself is derived from the Greek word papyros. When you look at your smartphone today, you are performing an action that began in the Nile Delta 5,000 years ago. The format changed, but the human desire to record, share, and preserve our story remains exactly the same. The next time you pick up a piece of paper, remember the plant from the Nile that started it all. In our next episode, we'll fast forward to the next great leap in the evolution of technology. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the journey through time. What do you think is the most important invention in human history? Let us know in the comments below.